araw natin dyan.
Maputi.
We are live.
We are live.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Hello,
Yes, nandito
hello.
naman kami para hindi para manggulo sa inyo or hindi mag-update ng laban ni Mike Tyson kagabi sa Netflix. Kung sino man nanood dyan, hindi ko alam kung sino nanalo. Pero
Hindi ako nanood.
hindi rin ako, nanood ako pero hindi ko natapos. Ano naman siya, di ba? 20 years ba naman? Yes, 20 years siya sa boxing.
Oh,
Wow.
Andito tayo para hindi i-discuss si Mike Tyson. Pero we would like to update again. You guys will have a very, very live, quick session dahil sa ngayong panahon na to, the work-life balance, it's not a goal anymore. It's a trend na achievable with the right tools and the right mindset with the right people. So, importante yan. Like, we have to surround ourselves with the right people, right?
Yes.
And that's easier for us to build our own, not only our own learnings, of course, para mag-improve din yung business natin, and of course, to have time with family and para sa ating mga sarili. So, sa dami ng tools ngayon at napaka-overwhelming, let's all embrace them and we work smarter. Ika nga, not harder, para ma-inspire din natin ang ibang moms.
That's right.
So, topic for today is achieving work-life balance with online business.
Yes.
And before we jump in, we would like everyone to introduce themselves kasi syempre nakikita nyo kami sa mga profiles namin, sa mga business page natin, at meron akong co-host dito na maliit na pasaway, pasensya na po kung maingay. Yeah, let's start with si Cheryl.
Hello everyone. Good afternoon po. It's late afternoon po here in UK. Yes, nice to see you all again. Mga kabayan, mga hardworking kabayan natin or hardworking moms around the world. Yes, ako po si Cheryl and I'm a mom, a nurse, and a digital business owner po. So today ang aming topic is about
At habang nagko-connect si Cheryl, let's move on to Sis Rosalie. Introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Rosalie. I'm from Padova, Italy, and I'm a proud digital business owner. I'm currently living here for more than 20 years to be exact, and I'm a dental assistant as a profession. Meron po akong isang anak na 12 years old na po siya, and ako po ay natutuwa at alam nyo yun yung naka-join ako or nag-join ako sa business na ito. It was yung alam mo yun, nung makita ko, when I started doing this business, yung talagang actually, hindi ko siya ina-expect na mag-join ako. But nung makita ko yung kagandahan ng business na ito talaga is biglang hindi ako nag-isip ng matagal. Hindi ako yung iba halimbawa na medyo nagtatanong-tanong or something like that. But ako, as
click na agad.
Oo, as in talagang babayad na po ako.
Yeah, okay. Babalik kami sa inyo, Sis Rosalie. Sorry to cut you there. Yes, and then we move again, same Italy, Sister Vicky. Introduce yourself, and then we move to Sis Liza, Sis Grace, and then Sis Sherry and Sis Edita.
Hi everyone, I'm Vicky Asuncion. I currently live here in Como, Italy. It's been already 37 years that I'm living here. Isa po akong travel sub-agent at isang digital business owner. I have 2 grown kids. Isa ay nakatira pa sa akin. Yun ang aking parang sinisilbihan sa ngayon. Itong business na to ay dumating sa akin during pandemic time at nung na-introduce sa akin, hindi po ako dalawang isip to join. Okay.
Right. And then we move to Sis Liza, and then Sis Grace, and Sis Sherry, and Sis Edita.
Hello, everybody. My name is Lisa Bravo, and I am a single mom of 2 teenagers. And I am also a nurse, currently living here in the UK. And I'm a digital business owner, and I'm doing this as my side hustle.
Then Sis Grace.
Hello everyone! Good morning po sa inyong lahat kasi good morning po dito sa Canada. So Edmonton, Alberta po ako ngayon, but originally I'm from Baguio City, Philippines, or Longlong, La Trinidad, Benguet po. And meron po akong actually 3 children. Ang isa po is 22 years old na, and I have another 3 years old and a 1-year-old. Haba po ng gap.
Blessing upon blessing.
Yes. Very easy.
Kaya po, I decided to join this business kasi nagkaroon po ako ng 2 magkasunod na maliit. So, marami po ako nakikita sa mga ads noon. So, hindi man po ako sumali kaagad. Ay, nagsorbahan ko po ang bawat isa. So, nakita ko ang legit na business na ito. Through my friend din. Friend ko mismo. And nakita ko sa kanya yung pagbabago sa buhay niya. Kaya nung buntis ako dito sa 3 years old ko, sabi ko, why not? Gawin ko siya. Ginawa ko siya without hesitation. Kasi friend ko talaga to and I really trust my friend. Kaya ginawa ko with hesitation. Tapos, the problem is, I did not step out of my comfort zone kahit ginawa ko to. Kaya, ngayon, nagdagdagan pa ako ng isa. So, wake up call to join again this business. Kaya sabi ko sa sarili ko, I will do it for them. My 2 wives. Kaya yun lang po. Thank you. Maraming salamat po.
Thanks, Sis Grace. Sis Sherry.
Hello everybody! Good afternoon! Nandito ako sa Niagara Falls, Ontario. I'm a nurse and I have a husband, but unfortunately we don't have children, so we have our loving our baby, my named Dory, and we love her so much. And I'm still working as a nurse. And I love this business to the bits of pieces, because this business, when I started this during pandemic time, this inspired me, motivate me, and it changed totally my mindset because you are surrounded with beautiful community like here, beautiful business owners around the globe. So this business makes me difference. Like it transformed me. I become a happy person. I'm able to understand every day because it's not positivity in every ways that we do here. So I'm happy to be here, especially now I'm here with everybody here, like business-minded people, moms, wherever you are in the world. So this is great to be here.
Thank you, Sis Sherry. And then we have Sis Editha.
Hello, everybody. Good evening from London, United Kingdom. My name is Editha. I am a maternity nurse. I'm also a nanny. I'm doing this business as my side hustle, as a part-time. But and the beauty of this business that you can do this at any time, wherever you are in the world, because our business is global business. So it doesn't matter where you are, guys. You are in Canada, you are in America, you are in Italy, you can do this business.
Yes, it's true.
Yes.
Yes, that's correct.
Yeah. So hello everybody. Welcome to this. I'm so grateful to be here.
Yes. Oh, welcome.
Welcome.
And
Everyone.
All welcome.
talking about mindset, alam niyo yung ano, yung nung nag-join ako this business, parang lahat ng kapaligiran ko ba, yung parang nakikita ko lahat yung ano, parang ang ganda-ganda ng kapaligiran, parang gano'n. Yung, ewan ko, yung parang nag-change lahat ng mga yung perspective ko sa buhay, lahat ng ano, lahat ng aspects. Kahit magka-problema man ako, ang bigat-bigat ng mga dinadala ko, yung mga, syempre, we are all human beings. Tapos magkaka-problema pa rin tayo. Pero yung parang nung nag-join na ako sa business na to, parang yung mindset ko, yung parang instead na negative yung nakikita ko lang, parang pa rin yung sa positive. Yung sa positivity, yung parang tinitingnan mo yung isang situation on a positive way, parang ganun na ang mindset ko ngayon. Parang ganda-ganda ng kapaligiran palagi, parang ganun yung ano. Yun ang yung ano ko since nung nag-join ako sa business na to.
Yes.
Ganito kasi everyone, you know, this business, when you are in this business, you don't feel alone. We are in the community and we help each other. So that's why you don't feel alone.
There's a lot of support.
Is a lot of support.
Yes, that's correct. Before we move on, ako nga pala si Malu from Calgary, Alberta, Canada, at ako'y may nanay ng 3 maliliit, isang 2 years old, isang 7, at saka isang 10 years old.
Hello.
At pasensya na at may gusto ng gatas. Pero again, lahat tayo we wanted more than just a career at gusto natin ng direction at purpose. At dahil kaya tayo nandito lahat kasi we all have the same purpose and we're looking at the same directions but with different reasons or different whys. So yun, everyone feels at some point na stuck na tayo sa cycle, yung trabaho, responsibility, na halos wala na tayong oras sa family. Kaya tayo lahat pumasok din sa journey na to at nabigyan tayo ng freedom na unahin yung mga importante, yung mga tunay na mahalaga like our family, our the goals, at saka of course for personal growth na rin. So hindi lang ito tungkol sa kita, hindi lang sa pera. Of course, lahat tayo gusto, di ba, kumita. Pero ito'y tungkol sa pagbuo ng isang buhay na may balance at fulfillment. Kaya maganda yung topic namin ngayon, guys. It's achieving work-life balance with an online business. Kaya I wanted to ask everyone here kung what your day looks like, ano yung mga routine nyo, at paano nyo na-achieve yung work-life balance with this online business. Kasi itong online business na to, malaking bagay na I mean, we're all already achieving work-life balance through this online business, but we wanted, of course, the other people to hear from you guys. How are you achieving this kind of work-life balance by sharing your own daily routine, what your day or what your morning or afternoon or evening looks like. So start natin kay si Cheryl, all the way from UK.
Na naman katulad kanina.
Yes, sis. Yeah, so being a nurse po, no, it's very, very stressful and very busy. So for me, yung freedom and flexibility of this business is really an amazing thing. Because I am my own boss, I can do whenever, you know, or whatever time I want to do my business. So yeah, very flexible siya. I can, pwede ko siyang isingit kung nasa break time ako or very busy kami. I can still receive business blessings from this online business. So yes, this is amazing, guys.
All right, thank
So
you.
yes, that's all.
Thank you, Sis Cheryl. And then we go jumping to Sis Rosalie. Sorry, I caught you in kanina there, but you can. It's your time to shine.
Yes, hello. Ako po si Rosalie. So, sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, ako ay dental assistant. At alam nyo ba, yung pagiging dental assistant, dahil full-time talaga, as in full na full. So, sa mga walang idea or sa hindi nakakalam kung ano yung trabaho ko as assistant, ay siguro para din yung kagaya ninyo, mga nurse or anumang trabaho nyo na minsan, alam mo yon yung maghapon kang nandun kasi nga full time eh. Maghapon ako nasa labas, maghapon ako nasa trabaho ko. And so I have this business, digital business, no? So yung iba nagtatanong, paano mo yung ginagawa? Eh, full time ka nga. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, ang business na ito is pwede mong gawin anumang oras, saan ka man nandun, basta meron lang internet connection. So, yun ang kagandahan, di ba?
Tsaka cellphone, pwede mo nang gamitin.
Oo, di ba lahat naman, alam mo yun, nung nagkaroon ng, nung nag-boom yung ang cellphone, kasi many years, wala namang internet ang cellphone natin.
Oh.
So, malaking tulong yung
na may data
ang
ka.
cellphone, nagkaroon ng internet, hindi ba? Sa mundo ng digital, sa mundo ng business natin na as long as may internet connection, you can do it wherever you want, whenever you want, kahit saan ka pa nandun. So, ako as a dental assistant, pag yung meron akong, let's say, pwede naman ako mag-cellphone sa trabaho ko, pero hindi yung in the sense na magbababad ako, yung pwedeng pasilip-silip, pwede, di ba? So, kaya nga, anytime, anywhere, pwede ko siyang gawin. So, natutuwa ako. I am so encouraged na kahit yung magagawa ko siya na yung pag kaya ng oras ko, hindi yung i-stress ko yung sarili ko na ako, ipupush ko na talagang dun lang ako. So, ang ganda, no? So, kahit full-time tayo, mga kapatid, ay nagagawa pa rin natin siya, di ba? So, yun ang kagandahan po, kaya that's it.
Yes, thank you, Sis Rosalie.
Thank you.
We go to Sis Liza. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam po, si Ate Liza ay aking first cousin at talaga namang kasama ko siya sa mula childhood at kami ay mga playmates. So just want to know. Go ahead.
Nice.
Nakita ko yung paglaki ni Malu nung kagaya ni Kay, Cathy, nung maliit pa siya. Yun, nakita ko siya kung paano lumaki. Yun. So,
baka may ma-share ka mga secrets natin.
Dami.
Hindi naman.
Dami. Ayan.
Yeah.
So, back to business. So like yung sabi nga ni Sis Rosalie, nagagawa mo siya, you can do it anytime, anywhere, ganon yung business natin. Like for me, for instance, yung ano ko, kasi I'm commuting. So nagmamadali ako in the morning, parang ganon. I usually have a running marathon, catching the bus, ganon. Usually, that's my daily routine. Tapos, so pag nandun na ako sa bus, ayun, I'm going to open my, mag-ano na ako ng business, mag-answer ng mga inquiries, ganon. O di kaya, basta hindi ginagawa ko na yung business ko, parang ganon. While waiting until na makarating ako sa hospital. So, yun ang kagandahan, that's the beauty of our business. Kasi, you are your own boss. Yung parang hindi ka na-stress na, gagawin ko ito, may deadline, hindi. You are your own boss. Ikaw yung mag-decide, yung time mo, kung kailan mo gagawin ito. Most of us na gumagawa nito nag-start as full-time. They're still on their full-time job. Like me, nasa full-time job pa ako. Tapos single mom ako. So, yung time ko talaga very tight. But I still have the time to, yung parang sinisingit ko, yung business ko. So, that's why I've chosen this business kasi napaka-busy ko na nga. I'm so busy with my life, with my career, with my household. Ako lahat ng ako yung nag-organize lahat. Kahit na even though my kids are already teenagers, I'm still yung mahirap pa rin kasi parang ako yung nanay at I'm the dad and the mom of my kids. So na ano ko pa rin, nababalance ko yun kasi I am my own boss nga, yung parang, yung parang inaano ko yung time ko, ako yung may hawak ng time ko, I hold my own time. And as long as I have my data, so I can still do whenever, like when I have my break in the hospital, ginagawa ko yun, nag-business ako, kahit few minutes pa, silip-silip, ganon. And
Silip-silip.
at saka yung parang I'm working for my own company. So all of us here, we have our own company. So yung company ko, yung ginagawa ko rin, but with the support of everyone. Parang ganon. Hindi ka nag-isa. Tapos, yung parang yung own company ko, ako yung boss. So yung sarili ko. Tapos, hindi pa ako nagbabayad ng it's very cost effective kasi hindi ako nagbabayad ng mga employees ko. Kasi ang employees natin sa online business na ito is the internet. So as long as na meron kang data or mga laptop o cellphone, you're in. You can plug this online business.
Yes.
So
Ilang beses mo na-mention ng hospital, te. You are a nurse po ba? Or
tapos mostly if I know that I'm off the following day, kasi mas gusto kong ginagawa ito yung parang sa night time kasi it's quiet. Tapos pag natutulog na yung mga anak ko, kahit na teenagers sila, I still have to make sure that I'm going to spend a lot of time with them, quality time. Kasi they've been away from me for how many years and lumaki silang malayo sa akin. So I'm doing everything I can now na nandito na sila with me for me to spend a lot of quality time for them. So pag sa gabi naggagawa na ako ng mga itong business na to. Tapos nagpupuyat na ako kung minsan around 3 a.m. gising pa ako kasi gusto ko kasi hawak ko yung time ko, parang ganun. It's my choice na magpuyat. So kasi the following day ang ino-organize ko yung the following day, Saturday o pag sa weekend, gusto ko yung parang I have to spend my time with them. So yung parang kung gusto namin lumabas, at least nagawa ko na yung business ko sa gabi, parang ganon.
At least may time ka na sa family mo the next. So which is important.
Family quality time, and parang yung inaano ko rin yung bonding ko sa kanila, parang ganon. Yun, yung parang yung freedom at saka flexibility talaga. Ang ganda.
Right. Yep. Thank you, Sis Liza. Now we go with Sister Vicky from Italy.
Hello. Okay, yung pagdating ng business na to, ang daming pinagbago ng buhay ko kasi for mga 12 years, yung traditional business ko na yung airline ticketing, may kasosyo ako sa Milan. So, nagko-commute po ako 7 days a week. Wala po kaming Sunday o wala kaming day off. So, yung talagang stressful yung naging buhay ko. Yung anak ko, alam nyo, maraming mga bagay na talagang na-miss ko. Buti na lang at merong mga mother ng mga kaklase niya na nakakatulong sa akin na kapitbahay namin. Alam nyo ba na meron akong na-miss na napaka-importante na pag naisip ko parang nabibreak yung aking puso. Yung, alam nyo yung graduation niya ng elementary? Na-miss ko yun dahil parang miscommunication namin ng aking asawa dahil I need to go to Milan kasi sa office kasi may mga emergency akong mga flights. Ay ang sabi ko sa asawa ko, pumunta ka sa school pero hindi ko in-specify na talaga parang graduation ba? Kasi simple lang naman ang graduation dito sa sa classroom lang. Alam niyo yung hapon, nung dumating ako, tinanong ko siya, anong nangyari sa hindi nagpunta si Papi, sabi niya, hindi nagpunta si Papi. Ako lang ang walang mama, walang papa at mama. Ang sakit yung sa akin. Alam niyo bang for 2 months ay hindi ko na yun, pero it's okay. Kasi alam ko namang busy ka. Yun ang kanyang sagot. Kaya yung alam nyo, yung nung pagdating ng business na to, talagang napakalaking bagay sa akin dahil nung nag 2020, nakipag-separate na rin ako sa sosyo ko. So for both business, itong dalawang business ko ay ginagawa ko na sa bahay. That's why I'm making up with my girl. Ngayon, napag-uusapan minsan, no? Pag yung nagkukwentuhan kami. Alam nyo na, hindi naman sinusumbat niya sa akin, pero sinasabi niya, alam mo, nung nagtatrabaho ka sa Milan, wala kang time sa akin. Hindi ako makapagkwento kung anong nangyari sa akin sa school kasi darating ka ng gabi. Pagod ka na, kakain ka, tutulog ka na. Tapos sa umaga, ihahatid mo ako, pareho tayong nagmamadali dahil ikaw, kukuha ka ng train, ihahatid mo lang ako ng ganun. Kumbaga, wala kaming communication nung at that time, no? Kaya nga sabi ko kung dumating siguro tong business na to nung medyo mas maliit pa ang anak ko, naiwasan ko tong mga to. Ano ang pagbabago ng business ko na to? Katulad ng sinabi ko na ako ay hindi na ako nagbukas ng office mula nung nag-pandemic. Na dahil nung dumating ito, sabi ko kaya ko nang i-manage ba yung dalawang business ko sa bahay kaya nag-smart working ako. So, nakakatipid ako ng gasolina, nakakatipid ako sa train, wala akong stress, nakakatipid ako sa upa ng bahay. Katulad yung nangyari ngayon na tuwan-tuwang aking asawa, whole afternoon po ay nag-prepare ako ng mga fresh vegetables, piniprepare ko na. Yung isda ba na gustong-gusto ng ko na tinatanggal ko yung ewan ko kung alam niyo yun yung anchovies na binababad ko sa olive oil at saka sa lemon. Kaya natutuwa nga sa bigla na lang siya. Kumbaga, na-spoil ko sila ngayon sa yung mga pagkain. At the same time, so managing my ticketing business, ang ginawa ko kanina, nakagawa na, kumita na ako sa ticketing ko. Nilagay ko yung laptop ko doon sa isang kwarto, kaya kung may tatawag, pupunta ako doon. So, that's, parang nag-enjoy ako. At kahit pa paano, nag-enjoy din ako na yung nandito sa bahay ba, na nakikita ko may pusa ako, may ko. Kaya napakalaking bagay, nakapakalaking tulong talaga itong digital business na to sa akin. Itong digital business, ginagawa ko lang na dahil nga katulad nga ng sabi ko, may ticketing. Pero ang kagandahan ay hindi nakakabago sa aking daily routine. Na hindi nagiging sagabal, yun ang hindi naging sagabal sa aking mga ginagawa dahil pwede kong gawin kahit nasan ako. Katulad na mahilig akong maggala, mahilig akong mag-travel, I'm bringing it with me dahil pwedeng i-manage sa cellphone o kahit dala-dala ko din naman ang laptop ko. Yan po ang napakagandang pagbabago sa buhay ko. At isa pa, para sa mga hindi nakakalam katulad ninyo, ako po ay 58 years old na. So for those who are afraid na matanda na kami, kaya, hindi namin maintindihan. Huwag kayong mag-alala,
Hindi halata ang edad.
na hindi ko kaya dahil matanda na ako. No, because I don't feel old dahil etong business na to, kahit aabot ako ng
Nakakabata.
alam ko,
You look so young for your age.
Yes, still young, very young.
Okay lang, Ate Vicky, para magka-age lang tayo niyan. Mga nasa 40s. Hindi naman
Hindi halata yung edad mo, ate. Hindi halata.
pero minsan sabi mo na po, buti yan, mas bata pa, marami pang kikitahin, marami pang
Yeah, ang daming mga hesitant about sa technology. Age na, na ako, mag-60 na ako,
Kaya
senior
nga.
citizen na ako, wala akong alam sa
Daming blah blah.
social media. Napaka-negative nila. Pero
Kung sasabihin nila hindi marunong sa internet or hindi marunong pipindot. So,
Dami.
madaming
Mga kuskus balungos.
True. Madami din tayong tools at saka madami ding member. 225,000 ang members ng ating online business. Kaya madaming tutulong sa'yo at hindi ka po nag-iisa. Anyway, we move on to Sis Grace. How do you achieve your work-life balance based on sa, how's your daily routine and all that?
Okay. Based nga po sa sinabi ko kanina, so nagkaroon ako ng 2 anak dito sa Canada and thankful ako doon. So, yung isa pinag-pray ko, yung isa hindi. Gusto na lang siyang dumating talaga.
Dumating yung blessing.
Oo, so ito na talaga yon. Sabi ko, I really need to pursue this business para sa 2 kong anak. Kasi work-life balance, di ba? Alam naman ninyo ang abroad, 2 to 3 jobs ka dapat. So, as a mother, yung biglang pagbabago sa buhay ko, yung biglang shift niya sa buhay ko, sabi ko, ang hirap nito, I cannot go back right on track. Ano ba yun? Yung bumalik ako sa 2 to 3 jobs. Pwede kong gawin yun, pero paano yung mga anak ko? Mawawala na sila ng quality time sa akin. So, eto na yon, pumasok na yung business. So, kaya, ang ginagawa ko ngayon, actually, hindi pa ako full-time sa work ko eh. Ano lang ako, 7 days in 2 weeks. So, I have 7 days sa kanila, 7 days din ako sa work ko. So, habang may work pa ako, ipinupursu ko itong digital online business. Sabi nga, gamitin natin yung work natin dito sa business din natin, di ba? Para umangat siya. Kaya ito yung ginagawa ko ngayon. While I am maintaining my work-life balance, kasi minsan 2 days lang ako sa isang linggo, so I have 5 days with my kids. 5 days with my kids, plus I can do my online business with them. So I'm not leaving the comfort of my home. I'm not sacrificing my family time. Hindi ba stagnant yung oras ko? May pinupuntahan pa rin ang mga oras ko kahit 7 days lang akong kahit 7 days akong hindi nag-work kasi alam kong hindi ako nasasayang. Sabi nga may itinatanim tayo, may aanihin tayo in the future. Yes. Ito yung, di ba? Hindi nasasayang ang oras natin pag ginawa po natin ito, di ba? While we are changing diapers, sabi nga pwede tayong kumita. Diba?
Yes.
Speaking of diaper, umalis din yung
Yung mga sa bahay sila nag-maternity, umaasa lang po sila sa income ng asawa nila. So, hindi na po pwede sa atin talaga ngayon yun while we are working abroad. So, sabi nga, this is not a quick rich scheme. Depende po talaga ito sa effort natin kung paano. So, as a 2 kids, na meron akong 2, they are my why talaga, my strong why. Kaya sa lahat ng mga post ko, nakalagay sila my why, my everything. Kasi gusto ko siyang itatak sa utak ko na I cannot give up now, di ba? Not now, naumpisahan ko na to eh. I don't care kung gaano katagal ang proseso ko, but alam ko darating ako katulad ng mga ibang business partners natin. So, yun po. Sana po.
Saka, this is a lifetime business na nga.
Lifetime business na pwedeng ipasa yung legacy natin sa ating mga anak.
Opo.
So at legal age, pwede na rin silang
Generations na.
Yes. Pwede na rin silang maging entrepreneur tulad natin pagdating ng legal age.
Yes.
At bago tayo mapunta sa iyakan at medyo at napakaganda ng mga stories nyo nila mula si Ate Sherry hanggang Ate Grace. Mapunta tayo kay Ate Sherry. At sinabi mo kanina, Ate Sherry, na it's unfortunate na wala kayong anak. I don't think that's unfortunate kasi you're still fortunate may anak man or wala dahil nandun pa rin yung parang young heart nyo na para kayong mga teens. Alam mo yun, yung parang nagliligawan pa rin, ganun. So parang, I don't think unfortunate is the proper term. Kasi, yeah, and meron kayong si Dowry, di ba? That's more than enough. So you don't have to be, to have many kids just to say that you're fortunate enough. But anyway, so how's your day looks like, Sis Sherry?
I'm still working full time, Monday to Friday, no weekends. However, this business, hindi sagabal sa oras ko na busy lagi, di ba? But this business reduce my stress actually because kung nandito ako sa business, happy ako, ginagawa ko na in my own time kasi I'm a routine kind of person, so make sure that I wake up this time and end this time. So kung nandito ako sa business, quality time yun, kahit 30 minutes lang, an hour quality time, because I'm happy to do it every day. So like in the morning, I wake up 5 o'clock. It doesn't like, hindi yun sa akin na stressful na, maaga pa ako nagigising, because I have to do my business at 5 o'clock. Since I started this business, this is my routine. I have to wake up, of course, I have to do my routine, my personal routine, do my breathing exercise, my prayer and gratitude, and then I do the business. So it's not hard for us, because this business works 24/7 for us. So if there is an important notification that comes because of the automation, so what is the beauty of this business is, like, in the background, you will understand what we're talking about when you are in this business. That's why we encourage you to join this business, to see why we're happy, why this business reduce our stress. Even they said, this is a big business, this is global business, I don't have time. So don't say that you don't have time. You have time, because you are always happy to be in this business, because you will understand the background of this business. We are built in with automation that work for us. We have all the trainings, we have all that makes life easy. So it's not like sasabihin natin na, ayoko mag-business kasi wala akong oras, wala akong ano.
So, yan yung palagi nilang sinasabi.
Yeah,
Oras.
wala akong time, hindi ko yan alam kasi hindi ako tech savvy. So this business is built for us. Even you don't experience, you're busy, so it's for a busy mom. So you have your own time to your family, or to your personal. So I'm doing this business. I'm busy as well, because I devote myself my weekend, like my Sunday, I volunteer in the church. I'm in a children's liturgy leader, so I teach, I proclaim, and I do some things in to help in the church. So I'm still good. I'm still here, doing this. We have all the time, because you know why? You will make time like for me, I will make my time because I'm excited to do this business. This business will change your life, regardless, your profession, regardless wherever you are, it will change actually your own life. So I'm happy to be in this business. It reduces my stress, because I can do anytime, anywhere. Of course, because we are in the world, in the technology era, it's not a hinder. I don't know how to operate all this apps, but because we have other tech savvy or other business owner that knows about it, we help one another. So in this business, you're not alone. So why not join us, right?
Yes,
Because we are here to help one another. So I don't know, personally, I don't know these people, these business owners, what we met online, but still we are helping one another. And said, I'm sorry, I can help because I'm running out of my time. So it doesn't make me stressed, because everything is there. So those who have time, they have time to help us, or what we will do. What is our topic? So somebody will present if they have time. So this is not like a stressful business. We have a digital business. We can work anywhere, anytime, in our own comfort space.
Yes.
Come on in.
Yeah.
Join us.
Sherry. Yeah, you mentioned time a lot. And I really, really agree. We all agree. Kung may time kang mag-browse ng social media, why not
It's
share
true.
it there?
Yeah, that's
True.
right.
That's correct. Yep.
That's right.
Yes. And then thanks for that amazing thoughts and ideas, si Sherry. We move on to Sis Edita.
Yes, guys. This business, guys, as you know all, I'm working almost 6 days a week Pero bakit sumali ako dito sa business? Dahil this business, guys, is you can do this business 1 or 2 hours every day. You can do this part-time. You can do this when you have time. So this is the beauty of this business. So that's all I can say. And I can pass this to Miss to our business partner Shiren.
Yes, that's correct. Having yung my 3 kids ako, alam mo yun, yung parang sabi nga nila, we're all busy but it's not easy. Nothing comes easy. Lahat tayo magdadaan sa karayom, whatever that is. At sorry. At sa aking situation naman, paano ko nababalance is Mondays and Tuesdays nasa work ako, and then Wednesday to Friday I work from home. Although may pros and cons pa rin siya, but it's really important to maintain a proper a good routine, di po ba? Kasi lahat tayo may mga habits na yan nakasanayan na natin. Parang ito, gustong-gusto niya nakikisawsaw. Pag nagsasalita ako, gusto rin niya magsalita. Well, it's a habit na once na-maintain natin yung good habit, everything flows, magkakaroon ng balance in everything. Basta proper proper time management. Kung ano yung importante, i-prioritize mo, and then go with the least priority, ika nga. So, ang akin naman is ang nag-aaral din kasi ako ngayon at the same time. So, halo-halo na nag-work, tapos full-time mom, full-time work, full-time student. Kaya, pag may oras ako, like this business, you can, you browse the social media while replying to my mama, while replying to my husband, ganyan, sa mga group chat na yan. At the same time, ma-open mo at nag-automate na siya. It's running in the background. So it's really, really helpful. So there's no problem in achieving work-life balance in this online business, ika nga. So we all have our own, we may have different reasons, but we all have the same goals in this online business, which is really nice. So yeah, that's it, guys. We spent, at least hindi tayo umabot ng 1 hour.
Yeah.
So, anyone feel free to add?
So yung situation natin ngayon, yung mga babies natin ngayon, they are present with us in our live stream. So that shows na yung talagang it's really perfect for moms, dads, or anyone who wants to focus on family while they are still earning an income online, di ba?
Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
That's correct. All right. Well, thanks for your time, ladies.
Yeah. Thank you, everyone.
Thanks, everyone, for watching.
Thank you, everyone, for watching.
Bye. Thank you.
Yes, just a small announcement. We will have another one tomorrow. Anong time po yun? We will be posting on pages. Stay tuned. Makikita nyo ulit. Feel free to watch, and if not, it's okay. I mean,
stay tuned, guys. Tomorrow in London time, UK time, 7 p.m. 7 p.m. UK time.
Yeah, and Eastern time
sa Italy. We are taking advantage of weekdays, kaming mga full-time workers.
Yes.
Para makapag-chat.
Hello, Joy. Welcome.
Okay.
Joy, nakapasok.
Hello, Joy. See you tomorrow.
Joy.
Tapos na.
So, weekly ito, sister ba? Weekly. This is our
Joy is here.
Weekends.
Yes, since nandito si Joy, everyone, let's welcome Joy.
Joy, welcome natin si Joy. Introduce yourself.
Hello, Joy.
Hello, Joy. Welcome here.
Yeah, what do you do for living, Joy?
Are we still on live?
Yes, we're still
There is the live, Joy.
Introduce yourself, Joy. Bye. Go. Wala tayong marinig.
Lakasan mo yung mic mo.
Yung napuputol.
Joy Bang. I live in Canada. And I was helping to buy so assistant.
Yeah.
I just recently I got my license to be I
Yeah, hindi natin maintindihan, Joy. I'm so sorry, guys.
Tomorrow.
We can have it tomorrow, and feel free to join Joy. It's a joy that you're with your Joy.
Sa Joy, you are with us.
Enjoy.
To join
Nakahabol si Joy. So thank you all.
Joy
Bye,
family.
guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, kids.
Bye.
Hindi ko yata alam patayin.